Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the L9 Pro Tire Inflator brought to you by AchancFam. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. And this is a 150 PSI air inflator, tire inflator, ball inflator. So your small sedans, things like that, your basketball, your motorcycle, your bicycle, works on a variety of things. So let's take a look at what comes in the box, and I'll show you this thing in action here in a minute. So first of all, you do get your air compressor, you get your air hose with this nice flip valve connection, so it's very fast so you don't lose air while you're trying to connect the pump. Then you also get the adapters here, so you do get the sports nozzle, and then you have other little nozzle attachments for like small inflatables, swimming rings, and then bike valves, things like that. So nice little selection there. You also get the charge cable, USB-A to USB-C, and this is going to be the charge port, nicely built in USB-C there. You also get a USB-A out, which that is actually a battery bank feature of this. And last but not least, you do get this water-resistant bag, so you can store everything inside of here and not have to worry if it gets wet. So along with the instruction manual. So as far as the pump goes, very easy to use. The hose just screws right into the top there. Once again, you can charge other devices out of these, but then you can charge up this device through the USB-C. And then you'll see a little light right here. So once you power it on, it's very easy to use. Just hold this power button right there in the middle, and then you're going to power it on. And when you push the flashlight, you're going to see it has a regular light, it has an SOS, and then it has a red strobe light, and then it just turns off. Very simple to use. And then the screen, nice big, you can see what's going on. You do have some presets here, so if you hit this little toggle button, it's going to go from car to motorcycle icon to a bicycle icon to a basketball, which is just your like sports balls, and then just a custom one that you can set up however you want to. Once this is flashing, you just press the plus or minus so you can change the PSI. And the bottom is the PSI that you want the device to be at. So if you're pumping up a tire or a ball, this is going to be your goal PSI. And then when you connect this, it's going to show you the actual current PSI. And then there is the nice little battery icon so you know if you need to charge this up. And as you can see, this is very small, compact, easy to carry with you. So if you do need to throw it in the car or ride it on your bicycle or your motorcycle, very simple to use. So let's jump over, take a look at this thing in action. Now this is just on my regular size SUV. And once again, I can change the PSI, so I can go up and down. I can select 34, and then I can connect it. So you can connect it before or after, it doesn't really matter. And then you can see there it's at 30.5. So I'm just going to hit the power button right there in the middle, and then it is going to start. Now this is still pumping up, but I'm going to show you the light still works. So if you need to use it while it's airing up, and you can see the PSI going up right there from 33.5 and then 34, and it auto shuts off, which is what I love about this. Super easy to use. So if you're looking for a small, compact tire inflator for, once again, for your car, your motorcycle, your bicycle, your balls, your swimming little toys and things like that, this is definitely going to work for you. Hope this video helps.